saying, explaining here, I request all you to copy down, and whichever homework I'll give you, and at the end, please note it down. So in exercise 1.1. Exercise number 1.1, first bit. Page number 2. See what is the bit they are asking. Which is the greatest and the smallest among the group of numbers? Which is the greatest and the smallest among the group of numbers? So this is like the same on the previous one where we have taken a set of series and we have found it which is the greatest and the smallest. Now they have given the first bit is to find which is the greatest and smallest. So let us take first one. Yes, so the first one is 15432, 15892, 15370, 15524. Right? Now among this we should find which is the greatest and the smallest. See, all the in this series, all the digits, all the numbers have 5 digits, equal digits, right? So both are initially 15. 15 is common in all these numbers, right? So now we will move on with the third number, that is the place, hundreds place. Now here you see it is 4, here it is 8, 3, 5. So among these 3, which is the highest number, which has more, biggest number here it's 8. Then after 5, then 4 and 3. So the greatest number is 15,892. Right? Now what is the smallest? As we know here it's 3. Right? Among 4, 3 and 5. So the smallest is 3, 15,370. This is how we will identify which is the greatest and the smallest. Now here also 25073, 25289, 25800, 25623. Now here also the starting initial 2 digits are same, 25, 25 and 25. So see, next coming to the third digits, that is hundreds place, 80286. Which is the highest? Right, it's 8. So the highest, greatest number is 25,800. Right? Next is, yes, the starting 2 digits are same, 25, 25 and 25. Now moving to the third digit. So here it's 0286. 0286. Among the 0286, 8 is the highest, right? So 25,800 is the greatest number. Now what is the leftover numbers? 0, 2, 6. So which is the smallest now? 0. So 25,073 is the smallest number. So remaining what? C, third, fourth and fifth, you try at your like your homework. Make it like your homework. Now moving to the next bit. Now see what is the second bit. Write the numbers in ascending order. Write the numbers in ascending order. one 375, 1475, next 15951, 4712. Now we have to write ascending order. What is one more name for ascending order? Increasing order. So let us write first ascending order. So increasing order means small to big. So among this series of number, which is the smallest one? There is 375 because this is having the less number of digits. Here there are 4, 5, again 4. So the smallest number of digits it is 375. Next, after 375 which is having less digits, there are two numbers here which are having 4 digits. So we will first compare with the first initial digit, that is 1. Here it is 4. So 1 is less than 4. So we will write 1475. Next 4713, and lastly 15951. This is what the ascending order. You can also say it is like an increasing order, that is small to big. Next, the second one you try it. Next we will move to the third bit. Write the. Okay, now let us move on to the next bit. Third. Write the numbers in descending order. We already said descending order is a decreasing order. That is writing from the biggest to the smallest. So what is the first one? 1876, 89715, 45231, and the last one is 89254. So decreasing order. Write it as descending order. Descending order. What is descending order? What we know about descending order? That is writing from the big to small. Now among this biggest, here there are three numbers which are having 5 digits, right? Now if you see here, these two numbers have the same value, 89, right? So after, next we will move to the third place, that is hundreds place. Here it is 7, and whereas here it is only 2. So is 7 greater than 2 or less than 2? Greater than 2. So the first value is 89,715. Next 89,254. Now this is also a 5-digit number. So it is 45,231. What is the remaining last digit? It's 1876. 1876. Ascending order, small to big. Descending order, big to small. This is an increasing order, this is a decreasing order. Next, moving to the fourth bit. Put appropriate symbols greater than or less than in the space. Now this fourth bit we will do in textbook itself. See what is the first one? 3,854. Here it's 15,200. So in the first one it is 3,854 and it is 5200. Now we should say among this two which is the greatest and which is the smallest. Easily you can say there are only 4 digits, whereas here it is 5 digits. So this is less than 15,200. Always remember this open side will represent the greatest and the end point will show you the smallest one. Now let us move to the next. Now see here there are 4 digits. Both the numbers have 4 digits. Initial digit is the same, 4. Next we will move to the next one. Here it is 8, here is also 8. Next move to the tens place. Here it's 9, here it is 6. So 9 is greater than 6. 9 is greater than 6. So 4895 is greater than 4864. Now moving to the third one here. The starting 3 digits are the same. Both are 5-digit numbers. 9 is here, 9 is also here. Again in thousands place 9, 9. 100 place 4 and 4. Coming to tens place here it is 5 and whereas here it is only 4. So 5 is greater than 4. So 99,454 is greater than 99,445. Next here it is 1 5-digit number, same. Here the starting 2 digits are same. 14 and 14. Now move to the hundreds place. Here it is 5, here is 4. So again 5 is, as 5 is greater than 4. So 14,000 is 500 greater than 14,499. Now let us move to the next bit. Write the numbers in words. Write the numbers in words. Our next bit is to write in words. Now they have given the words, numbers, we have to write number names. So what is the first step? We will write the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Right? So it is 72,642. Now we can easily write in words. 72 as it goes under thousands place. So 72,000. Next, 6 is under hundreds place, so 600. 642. Never write F-O-U-R. F-O-R-T-Y is the right one. So next here, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. This similarly we will put a comma because this is one period. So 55 goes in thousands. Next 345 in ones period. So 55,000. 55,000. What is the next? 340. Okay, now let us move to the next one. So what is the first step? To write the place values. So starting from the right side, ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So 55,000. So we will start writing in words. 55. 55. It is in thousands period, so 1,000. 55,000. Next 3 is in hundreds place. So 345. 345. So this is how we have written the numbers in number names or in words. So now let us move on with our next bit, sixth bit. Write the numbers in figure. Now they have given a vice versa of our fifth bit. That is, now they have given you words. Now we will change it into numbers. Sixth bit. 40,270. Next second one is 14,064. Right. Now we have given number names. We will convert this into numbers. So first we will check what is the highest place. So in the first one, the highest place is thousands place. So it's 40,000, not 4,000. So we will write 10,000. We will write the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. If at all they have given us 4,000, we might have written 1,000. As in when 40, not 4, 40,000, so we will write it for 10,000. So 40,000, so I am writing here 14,000 period, 40,270, so 2 will go on the 100 place. Now here 100 place, now we will write here 2. 200, what is the remaining left over? 70, 270. This is how we will write the given words into numbers. 40,000. First we will check which is the highest place. In this it is 1000. So we have written till 10,000. Right? Then we will place the digits. 40,270. Now moving on to the next. 14,000. 64. Here also 14. 14,000 is asking, right? So again we will write till 10,000. So first write ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So as he said it is 14,000. So 14,064. There is no value in hundreds place. No value means we will consider as 0. He has not given any number here in the word. Right? So we will consider 100 as 0. 64. 60 will go in tens place and 4 in ones place. So 14,064. First step is to write the places and then we will write in numbers. Yes, the remaining two I think you can easily try it. Now moving to the 7th bit. I request you all to open your classbook and copy down the 7th question. See, 7th one. Form 4-digit number with the digits 4037 and find which is the greatest and the smallest among them. In this 7th page, in 7th one, he has given randomly, he has given 4 digits. That is 4037. Now what he is telling us, form greatest and the smallest number. By using this 4 digits, we will form greatest and the smallest number. Now forming greatest and smallest number, this is without repetition. If they want, they will give you form numbers with the repetition. This is a different case. Okay. This is without repetition. Now they have given randomly 4 digits. Now what we will do, greatest number, to write greatest number we will go with increasing order. What is increasing order? That is our ascending order. Now what is ascending order from? Big. So, greatest number is increasing order, that is 7. After 7 increasing, it goes with 4. Next 3. Last is 0. Among these 4 digits, the highest digit is 7. Next is 4. Next 3. Next 0. It is going from big to small, right? Now smallest number. Now you cannot use 0 in the initial, in the starting place, because these are 4 digit numbers, means we have the 1000 place, right? If you keep 0 in thousands place, there is no value for the 1000. So we will never use 0 in the starting, in the initial place. So what is the number just before it is 3? So we will consider 3 as smallest, then 0, then 4 and 7. It's 3047 and the greatest number is 7430. Right? Supposedly if they give you with the repetition. Now what you will do, they give only 4 digits, but what they do, they will tell you to write 6-digit number or 7-digit number or any 5-digit number. Now if you want to write 6-digit number with the same number, now how can you write? There are only 4 digits, but he is telling to make 6 digits. Among this, which is the highest one, which is the biggest, it is 7. So what we will do, we will repeat 7 2 times. Right? Now with this 4, now we will make the greatest number. That is 7 4 3 0. Yes, 7 4 3 0. Now if you see, these are 3 3. Now this is a 6-digit number. So what we will do, 6-digit number means we will repeat the highest number and we will write the remaining numbers. Okay, this is how we will write with repetition. So greatest number is 7430, smallest number is 3047. Now our last bit from this exercise, that is our 8th bit. See what he is giving. I think you can write this 8th bit in your term book itself, textbook. The smallest 4-digit number. We already know smallest 2-digit, 3-digit, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Now let us recall once. Let us denote. Let us write smallest here and greatest. We know smallest 1-digit number is 1 and the greatest number is 9. Smallest 2-digit is 10 and the greatest is 9. Don't get confused that here it is 9. Okay, now let us see what are the smallest and the greatest number. As you already know, 1-digit numbers, that is 1 and 9. 1 is the smallest one and 9 is the greatest one. We can also take 0. It is a natural 1-digit smallest number. So next here it is 10, 90, 9, 100 and here is 999. These are up to 1-digit, 2-digit and 3-digit. 1-digit number. This is a 2-digit number. And these are the 3-digit number. 1-digit small and greatest number. 2-digit smallest and the greatest number. 3-digit smallest and the greatest number. Now what here you can see the pattern is, if you add 9 plus 1, you are getting the smallest next 2-digit, next smallest number, right, next digit. This is one single digit. If you add 9 plus 1, we will get 10. Now this is the smallest 2-digit number, right. Now same way, if you write 19 and if you add 1, it becomes 100. Now this is the smallest 3-digit number. Similarly, if you add for 999, 999, if you add 1, you will get 1000. This is the smallest 4-digit number. So our first question is, the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. I will just write the answer, you got it. Smallest number is 1000. Right? Now see what next question is, the greatest 4-digit number. Now if you see what is the greatest 4-digit number, 99,999. So we have 1000 and 9,999. Increase of digit. Here 0 is increasing, here 9s are increasing. So this is the 4-digit smallest number, this is the 4-digit greatest number. So what is the greatest 4-digit number? Greatest number, 4-digit number is 9,999. Again, if you add 1 to this, you will get 10,000. Right? This is a 5-digit number. This is 4-digit. Here it is 99,999. Again, increase of 9, increase of 0. This is the greatest 5-digit and the smallest 5-digit number. So the third question, what is the third question? Smallest 5-digit number. So the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Next, greatest 4-digit number is 99,999. You can write this in your rough page, rough column. Smallest, greatest, 1 to 9 is 1 digit, 10 to 99 is 2 digit, 100 to 999 is 3 digit, 1000 to 9,999 is 4 digit, 10,000 to 99,999 is a 5 digit. Greatest and the smallest numbers. I hope it is very clear to you. Thank you.